What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and today I am taking delivery of my dream supercar. I'm actually not talking about this car. We filmed that video just a couple weeks ago. I'm talking about this car that just showed up, and this is the one that I've been the most excited about. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Now guys, I first want to start by saying that this year has been absolutely insane for me and my family. More than anything, I just want to let you know how overwhelmed with gratitude I am for the opportunities that I get to do this stuff and share it with you. So for those of you that have watched the channel, I love cars, I love the experience they provide, but I also love sharing them with you. And so if you guys like these videos, make sure you remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. I think you've got enough back history. I sold all my other cars, the C8, the Tesla Plaid. We actually picked up this car just a couple weeks ago, and today we're taking delivery of what I believe will be my favorite car of all time. I don't think I will ever sell this car because it's my dream car. So with that being said, let's go check it out. How's it coming? Good, good. Okay. I'm so tempted to go take a peek, but we're gonna wait till the gate comes down. Oh, wow. All right, guys, this is the 992 GT3. It's a 2022, and I am pumped out of my mind. The reason I love this car more than literally any other car is how it performs on the track. Just the handling of this vehicle, the interior, the look. It is the most beautiful Porsche in my mind of all time. And I know that's a bold statement, but I am so ecstatic about this. So question for you. Yeah. I don't think it matters how much I've driven these cars. Backing them out of a trailer is always like scary. With how much you do it, do you get to the point where you're just comfortable with it?
No.
It's always scary?
It's always terrifying. Yeah. And some cars are a lot tighter than others. I transport a lot of Porsches, and they're always great.
Yeah.
You know, but you get into some of the Range Rovers that I've done,
Just a little
some Lamborghinis, and yeah, I mean, I've had even ZR1 Corvettes. The C7, I mean, you're talking about half an inch on each side. And so it's terrifying. Yeah. So a lot of them, I winch them on. That way when the window's down, I can just adjust it, and I have it on a remote.
That makes sense. All right, we got to go peek at the front shot of this. Wow, look at that thing, man. I am so giddy about this. That car is absolutely beautiful. So right now is a great time to shout out Porsche Tucson. This is the second car I've purchased from them. The Taycan is what got me absolutely hooked on this car, because then I've gone and driven the GT3 and the GT3 RS multiple times at the track, because my Porsche has just been my favorite car ever. So I'm keeping the Taycan for a long time, and I plan on keeping this car for a long time. But Andrew Stevens at Porsche Tucson, he is the best of the best, and I can't thank him enough for hooking me up on this car. The way things came together, this car is selling for probably $310,000 to $320,000 after having, you know, a couple thousand miles on it. If you look on Auto Tempest right now, Andrew had someone back out on this car, and he immediately called me, and I nabbed it last second, and we picked it up for $275,000, which is still above the MSRP on these cars, but the market has just gone insane. And so I'm buying this, I don't know, minimum probably $30,000 below, but it's worth, and maybe even more than that. So Andrew, thank you so much. You're the freaking man for hooking me up, and let's get this car off. Oh my goodness, it is so sick.
Is Maddie ever as excited as you about the cars?
She's excited because I'm excited. She actually has loved the Taycan lately. She's been driving it a lot more, so I don't think she was bummed that I traded in her car for a supercar. We're late for Sunday dinner, so I'm gonna go say bye to the kids, and then we'll get the car unloaded. Ren, you wanna see the car?
Yeah.
Come here, come check it out. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So which one's yours, this one or the Lambo?
I'll take that one.
Just got the key. Look at this. When you get a GT3, they add leather. absurdly comfortable. I've never been in a car this comfortable, at least not a sports car. I'm shocked at all the extra space back there too. This is like a massive trunk. That's nuts. Can people sit back there? This is something special, man. Okay, first things first, we gotta go into sport mode. All right, hold on tight. We're gonna see if we can get her a little warmed up. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's so aggressive, man. It's funny, all these corners just literally feels like I'm going 20 miles an hour around them. It's insane. All right, here's track mode. We're gonna go into manual. Ready? Okay, listen to these downshifts now. Ready? Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I'm just blown away by this car. It's absolutely incredible, and we've got a lot more videos on it to come. But if you enjoyed this video, remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this at least a little bit as much as I did, because that's why I share these on the channel. So thanks so much and have a great day.